We have been baking up a storm here the last several weeks. I've been using my new mill and making cookies and pastries and all kinds of good goodies. We've got some sea salt flakes here. We got smoked sea salt. What do we have here? Oliver, what do we have here, buddy? What do we have here? What are you doing? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! So tomorrow is Jim's, what is it? Christmas party. We're having this Christmas. So we just finished, this is our second round of Rice Krispie treats with some flaked sea salt dipped in chocolate. So we had to do a few test runs. So needless to say, I don't even want to look at these because I have had way too many Rice Krispie treats in the last few days. And Jim took a batch to work today or yesterday and they all went. So I made another batch. And then these are peanut butter blossom cookies. And they've got a Reese's peanut butter cup on the top of them. So I got this recipe off online. And these are my second batch. And we also, these are using freshly milled flour with my new little mill here that I absolutely love. I mill my own wheat berries now. So needless to say, these have plenty of nutrients in them. And then we topped them off with, like I said, a Reese's peanut butter cup and some flaked sea salt. And today we I needed to cook some meat, so we made some meatballs. And I threw in basically the kitchen sink in here. So we're gonna go ahead and freeze these because we had dinner. So these have everything but the kitchen sink. They have grilled onions, mushrooms, egg, breadcrumbs from Thanksgiving. So garlic, we put some black garlic in there. And I'll show you this one right here. So when you get these little specialty items, man, it just makes the biggest difference. I had been eyeing this salt here, smoked sea salt, and let me tell you, it elevates the mood of the food, the flavor definitely. So Merry Christmas, happy baking, and cheers, my love. I love you.
Thank you.
Yes, I love it. I love it.